Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to UTM-IFOG Institute for Oil and Gas. The institute has been established since the introduction of Industrial Center of Excellence by the KPT Ministry, and it is actually a very good move in such a way to promote the industry in oil and gas and the collaboration with the academy. Well, UTM-IFOG has been established and accredited by numbers of authority like Energy Commission, DOSH and HRDC. And the establishment is not limited to the training center, but again we are basically deeply involved in doing services for the calibration for the oil and gas industry. So in line with this particular approach, we recently received the accreditation from Department of Standard Malaysia, having the accreditation in oil and gas industry, especially related to calibration of pressure and temperature. So in this particular move, we are basically in a succession to really goes into more industrially based services, as well as doing more focus on the academic research and calibration. So in this particular direction, we are basically very enthusiastic to really promote the aspect of calibration in doing research, while at the same time promoting the higher accuracy for the measurements in terms of pressure and temperature. So I'm quite glad to introduce you with the UTM-IFOG Institute for Oil and Gas Calibration Lab. UTM-IFOG Institute for Oil and Gas is actually very dedicated in providing lots of services to the industry as well as to academy. In this particular system, we are also highly engaged in doing numbers of research and consultancies to the industry. So at the same time, we are establishing the IFOG Calibration Lab, in which we focus very much on the calibration of pressure and temperature. So in July 15, 2022, we received the accreditation from DSM that allows us to do more calibration works for the industry. So it does not limit it for the purpose of surveying the industry, but it is also providing a very good opportunity to provide a very good, reliable and accurate measurement, especially for the pressure and temperature. So in this particular way, we can promote this calibration into more focused area like services to the industries and services to the academician as well. IFOG Calibration Lab is fully equipped with numbers of equipment, fully calibrated and accredited by the DSM. So in this particular manner, we are basically very much appreciated the effort made by the staff in promoting the use of this particular equipment for the services, for the industries and for the academics. I think the equipment used are rather quite sophisticated and they are up to date with the current technology. I presume that using this particular equipment, which basically currently monitored thoroughly throughout the year, meaning to say that we would be able to provide numbers of services with full of confidence, having quite numbers of a very good closing up with the requirement of the industry. I presume that once we calibrate the equipment, especially in the pressure and temperature scope, we could be establishing a very reliable numbers in which it is very meaningful in terms of the transaction of any measurement, especially in the relation to pressure and temperature.